equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. In this detailed guide, we will walk you through the process of replacing the heatsink and fan in your Lenovo Legion 5 Pro. This upgrade is essential for maintaining peak performance, especially during intense gaming sessions. Let's get started. First, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, thermal paste, and an anti-static wrist strap. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any screws. Begin by powering down your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Remove the back panel by unscrewing the screws located at the base. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the back panel is off, you will see the internal components. Locate the heatsink and fan assembly. It's typically situated near the CPU and GPU. Carefully disconnect the fan cable from the motherboard. If you find this process daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert help if needed. Next, unscrew the heatsink. There are usually 4 screws securing it in place. Be cautious as you remove the heatsink. It may be stuck due to the thermal paste. Gently wiggle it free, ensuring you don't damage any surrounding components. Now, it's time to clean the old thermal paste off both the CPU and the heatsink. Use isopropyl alcohol and a lint-free cloth for this task. It's crucial to have a clean surface for the new thermal paste to ensure optimal heat transfer. Once cleaned, apply a small amount of thermal paste to the center of the CPU. A pea-sized amount is sufficient. Reattach the heatsink, ensuring it sits evenly over the CPU. Secure it with the screws you removed earlier, tightening them in a crisscross pattern to ensure even pressure. Next, install the new fan. Position it correctly and connect the fan cable back to the motherboard. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have your laptop serviced without any hassle. Before reassembling the back panel, it's a good idea to test the fan. Power on your laptop and check if the fan is functioning correctly. If everything is working as it should, power it down again and proceed to replace the back panel. Screw the back panel back into place, ensuring all screws are tightened securely. Finally, power on your Lenovo Legion 5 Pro and enjoy the improved cooling performance. If you need assistance or prefer to leave it to the professionals, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. Remember, no calls, no travel. We make it easy for you. That's it. You've successfully replaced the heatsink and fan in your Lenovo Legion 5 Pro. Enjoy your enhanced gaming experience. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.